Hey Watchers, Chef Tom here. I hope everybody's doing well. Just wanted to give you guys an update. As you guys know, last Friday I went and had gallbladder surgery. Doing okay. I went out today to Best Buy. I bought some new gear to creating more content and kind of overdid it. I thought it was feeling okay. It wasn't feeling too much pain. But I went out and got really tired, and just have to remember I've only been out of surgery still recovering for 3 days. But I just can't wait till I get to the point where I heal up and I can make some more great episodes of Watch Me Cook for you guys. But I had to make a video. I need to make content and post it, and I'm sure a lot of you guys can relate. How life gets in the way and you can't post videos when you want to, but don't let that stop you. Even if it's a 1 minute video, this one's going to be probably about 2. But yeah, I just wanted to post something on here, let everyone know. Right now I'm recovering. I'm not filming any cooking episodes, but I have some ideas I'm written down for upcoming episodes of Watch Me Cook. One of them is actually going to be Watch Me Bake. Baking with my wife. We're going to team up, and we're looking forward to it. So Watchers, thank you very much. Just want to let you know I'm doing okay, and I'm on the road to recovery, and we'll be posting some new cooking shows soon. So thanks very much, guys, and have a great day, and go be awesome.